This feels so good. Who is it? Oh well. I'm in heaven. What? Oh well. This feels so good. Time to get out of the bath.
That's strange.
What is?
Something's not right. Why am I getting mosquito bites?
You are surely bitten outside. It's summer after all. And you have been coming home late, haven't you?
What? Have you been breaking your curfew? You promised that you'd come home on time when we negotiate your pocket money increase.
But no one has to come home at 5 nowadays.
When I was young.
Okay, I get it.
I don't see the harm in making it a little later.
Kane!
I've had enough of all this. I think that there is a mosquito in the house.
Go and buy some insecticide, Kaneo, and make sure it works.
No way that you could go and buy some yourself?
Mom, weren't you going to cook dinner now? I'd like to eat potato cakes tonight.
Really? Well, let's have potato cakes for dinner then.
That's great! But Mom, I'm not sure about the way you make them.
What are you saying? There's nothing wrong with the way that I make them.
Well, okay. I'm gonna light a mosquito coil in the kitchen.
What? Typical. It's smoky. A little more. Oh! It's smoky. That's right. Oh! It's smoky. That's right. Oh! It's smoky. A little more. Oh!
To all the housewives out there, don't try this at home.
Oh no!
金よ